Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone. How are you today? Hopefully you are doing okay. This video is the next part of the previous one, so if you have not watched the last one, please grab the video and watch as soon as possible. Okay, in this video I will discuss the most fundamental skills to deal with the structure questions of the TOEFL test. The first is be sure the sentence has a subject and a verb. A sentence in English should have a subject and a verb. So this is the first thing you have to do when you want to answer structure questions of the TOEFL test. Analyze the sentence, find the subject, find the verb. If, for example, the subject is missing, you must find it in options. And if the verb is missing, find it in option. And if they are complete, you have to find another element that can complete the elements. However, generally the sentence is missing either the subject or the verb or even both of them. Okay, I have some examples. Let's analyze whether they are correct or incorrect. Number 1. The box can be opened only with a special screwdriver. Please analyze. Is there any subject? Yes, the box is the subject. And is there any verb? Yes. Can be opened is the verb. Therefore, this sentence is correct. Number 2. A job on the day shift or the night shift at the plant available. Do the something. Is there any subject? Yes. Job is the subject. And is there any verb? No, everyone. There is no verb. So this sentence is incorrect. The verb is missing. The correct sentence is a job on the day shift or the night shift at the plant is available. With is as the verb before available, the sentence is gonna be correct. Number 3. Yesterday, found an interesting article on pollution. Do the same thing. Is there any subject? No, everyone. No subject in the sentence. And is there any verb? Yes. Found is the verb. So this sentence is incorrect. The subject is missing. The correct sentence is I, yesterday, found an interesting article on pollution, or with other subjects beside I. It's still possible. Okay, continue. Let's study other examples. Blah 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 was backed up for miles on the freeway. Let's analyze. What is missing from the sentence? Is there any verb? Yes. Was backed up is the verb. Is there any subject? No, unfortunately. The subject is missing. So we have to find the subject in options. There are two possibilities, namely between C or D. Let's analyze more. Look at the verb, was. It's for singular subject. So find the singular subject in option. Therefore, the answer is C. Another examples. Engineer, blah blah blah, for work on the new space program. Let's analyze again. What is missing from the sentence? Is there any subject? Yes, engineers is the subject. Is there any verb? No, the verb is missing. So we have to find the verb in options. Luckily, there is only one verb in option, which is are needed. Therefore, the answer is B, baby. Another examples. The boy, blah 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 blah, going to the movies with a friend. Let's analyze what is missing from the sentence. Is there any subject? Yes, the boy is the subject. Is there any verb? Yes, but the verb is not complete, as you can see. So we have to find an element to complete the verb in options. Answer A is incorrect because it's gonna be double subject. Answer B also incorrect with the same reason. Answer C, it's gonna be double verb. We already have going, so no need relaxing to add another verb. Therefore, the best answer is D, will be. From these examples, we have to underline that A sentence in English should have a subject and a verb. If, for example, the subject is missing, you must find it in options. And if the verb is missing, find it in option. And if they are complete, you have to find another element that can complete the elements. That can complete the sentence. However, generally, the sentence is missing either the subject or the verb, or even both of them. Okay, until this point, hopefully it's clear. The second skill is be careful of object of prepositions. The examples of preposition are, for example, in, at, of, to, by, behind, on, after, before, and many more, ladies and gentlemen. A preposition is followed by a noun or pronoun that is called an object of prepositions. If a word is an object of preposition, it is not a subject. Please underline that. Jadi, kalau kita menemukan sebuah kata benda setelah preposisi, itu bukan subjek. Itu adalah object of preposition. Okay, I have some examples. Let's analyze whether they are correct or incorrect. Number 1. The interviews by radio broadcaster were carried live by the station. Please analyze. Is there any subject? Yes, the interviews is a subject. And is there any verb? Yes, were carried is the verb. Therefore, the sentence is correct. Radio broadcaster is not a subject, but object of preposition because it is put after the preposition by. Clear. Okay, number 2. For the last 3 years, at various hospitals in the country, has been practicing medicine. Please analyze. Is there any subject? No, ladies and gentlemen. The last 3 years is not a subject, but object of prepositions because it is put after the preposition for. Various hospitals and also the country are not the subject because they are put after the preposition at and in. So this sentence is incorrect. Even though it has a verb, namely has been practicing, it's still incorrect, missing the subject. Number 3. At the building site, the carpenters with the most experience were given the most intricate work. That sentence. Please analyze it. Is there any subject? Yes, there is a subject. The carpenter is the subject. Do not get into the trap because of the building. The building is not the subject, but it is an object of preposition since it is put after the preposition at. And then, is there any verb? Yes, were given is the verb. Therefore, this sentence is correct. The subject are plural anyway, carpenters. And the verb is also for plural, namely were, so they are matched. So this sentence is correct. Another example, with his friend blah 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 found the movie theater. Let's analyze what is missing from the sentence. Is there any subject? Unfortunately, no subject. Do not get into the trap because of his friend. It is not the subject anyway, but it's an object of preposition since it is put after preposition with. Is there any verb? Yes. Found, you can see, is a verb. So the subject is missing. We have to find it in options. The only subject in option is be, baby, namely he. Therefore, the answer is B, baby. The third skill is be careful of appositives. What is appositives, brother and sister? An appositive is a noun that comes before or after another noun and has the same meaning. To understand what is appositive, let's analyze this sentence. Sally, the best students in the class, got an A on the exam. Sally and the best student in the class adalah satu. Mereka satu hal gitu ya, satu topik yang sama. The best students itu Sally. Sally itu the best students in the class. So, that's a positive. But mana yang subjeknya? A positive akan selalu diapit oleh koma apabila dia berada di tengah kalimat. Jadi it's clear subjeknya adalah Sally. Let's study another example. Blah blah blah, George is attending the lecture. From this sentence, we can see that the sentence has a verb, namely is. But, is there any subject? Is George a subject? George in this sentence is an appositive. Karena diapit oleh dua koma. Jadi, the subject is actually missing. Kita harus cari subjeknya di opsi jawaban. Dan the only subject di opsi adalah D, diamond, my friend. Therefore, the answer is D, diamond. Kalau kita nggak tahu konsep appositive, kita akan mengira kalau kalimat ini lengkap, ada subjek, George, dan ada verb, is. Jadi kita pilih jawaban yang lain. Dan itu salah. Jadi konsep appositive itu sangat penting. Another example. Blah blah blah, Sarah rarely misses her basketball shots. From this sentence, we can see that the sentence has a verb, yaitu misses. Does it have a subject? Is Sarah a subject? Yes, it is a subject, karena tidak diakhiri oleh koma. Jadi, subject dan verb of this sentence are complete. Kita cari elemen lain. Answer B, C, and D itu salah. Why? Karena akan double verb. The best answer, therefore, is A, yaitu appositif dari Sarah. Nah, dari contoh soal tadi, kesimpulannya adalah ada dua posisi untuk appositif dan subjeknya. Appositif bisa di tengah, terletak setelah subjek, dan diapit oleh dua koma. Appositif juga bisa di awal kalimat sebelum subjek dan diakhiri juga oleh koma. Subjek bisa berada sebelum appositif dan harus diakhiri koma. Sedangkan apabila subjek berada setelah appositif, koma tidak dibutuhkan. Teman-teman bisa lihat di gambar ini ya, for the complete explanation. Okay, I have some examples. Let's analyze whether the sentences are correct or incorrect. Number 1. The son of the previous owner. The son of previous owner. The new owner is undertaking some very broad changes in management policy. Please analyze. Is there any subject? Yes, the new owner is the subject. And is there any verb? Yes, is undertaking. That's the verb. Therefore, the sentence is correct. Number 2. Last semester, a friend graduated cum laude from the university. From this sentence, we can see that the sentence has a verb, namely graduated. But, does it have subject? Does it have subject? Is last semester a subject? Is a friend a subject? They are not, my friends. A friends is an appositive karena diapit oleh koma. And last semester juga bukan subject karena itu adalah keterangan waktu. So the subject is missing. Therefore, it's incorrect. Number 3. Tonight's supper left over from last night didn't taste any better tonight than last night. Please analyze. Is there any subject? Yes, tonight's supper is the subject. And is there any verb? Yes, did not taste is the verb. Therefore, the sentence is correct. Skill 4 is the next. It is be careful of present participle.